klɔːz. A particular section of a legal document, contract, or agreement. A group of words containing a subject and predicate, forming part of a sentence. The contract includes a confidentiality clause to protect sensitive information. Please review the termination clause carefully before signing. My teacher explained how to use an adjective clause in English. He added a special clause in his will for his grandchildren. The agreement has a provision for early termination. Article 5 of the contract defines the payment terms.